In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward an email in Outlook. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, any email that matches your criteria will be sent on to another address without you having to lift a finger. This is especially useful if you manage a team inbox, want a backup copy in another account, or need certain messages to always go to a colleague. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to set up forwarding from. It's important that you're in the correct mailbox before creating any rules, because rules apply only to that specific account. Next, go to the top menu and look for the section where you manage rules. In most recent versions of Outlook on desktop, you'll click on the Home tab, then find Rules, and choose the option to manage or create rules. If you're using Outlook on the web, you'll typically open Settings, then look for Mail Rules or Inbox Rules. The wording might vary slightly depending on your version, but you're always looking for rules or automated processing. Once you're in the Rules area, create a new rule. Here, you'll define the condition that decides which emails get forwarded. For example, you can choose to forward emails from a specific sender with certain words in the subject, or messages sent to a particular group address. Take a moment to think about what you actually need. The more specific you are here, the less likely it is that unimportant messages will be forwarded. After choosing your condition, set the action to forward the message. In Outlook, this is usually labeled as Forward to or Redirect to. When prompted, enter the email address that should receive the forwarded messages. Double-check this address carefully. A small typo can send your emails to the wrong place or cause them to bounce. You may also see options for exceptions. This can be helpful if, for example, you want to forward everything from a certain sender except messages marked as confidential or messages that contain specific words. You can skip this if you don't need it, but it's good to know it's there. Finally, save or apply the rule, then test it. Send yourself a test email that matches the condition you set and confirm it arrives in the destination inbox. If it doesn't, go back into your rule settings and check the conditions, the forwarding address, and that the rule is turned on. Once everything looks good, you're all set. Your Outlook will now automatically forward emails based on the rule you created, saving you time and keeping the right people in the loop.